Good morning, Steve Freed with the results of the USDA stocks and acreage report. First of all, as far as stocks are concerned, corn stocks 4112 million bushels. Average guess was 4144, and last year was 5003. Interesting to note that 42% of those stocks are on farm. Last year the percentage was 57%. Bean stock 766, average guess was 787. Last year was 1381. On-farm stocks are about 27%. Last year was 45%. Wheat stocks 843, the average guess was 859. Last year was 1028. On-farm is 16%. Last year was 22%. As far as the acres are concerned, corn acres 92.7, average guess was 93.7. The March 1 figure was 91.1, last year was 90.8. Beans 87.5, average guess was 88.9. The figure in March was 87.6, last year was 83.0. Wheat acres 46.7, average guess was 45.9. March was 46.3, last year was 44.3. Winter wheat acres are unchanged at 33.0 versus the average guess of 33.0 in March. Other spring 11.58, average guess was 11.4. It was 11.7 in March, 12.2 last year. And all cotton 11.7, the average guess was 11.8. March it was 12.0. Last year was 12.1. So the combination of the lower than expected acres and the lower stocks numbers than the average guess has beans up 70 cents, soybean oil up 1.8, meal up $20 a ton. Corn was up 38 cents and at one point touched the 40-cent limit. Nearby Chicago wheat 24 cents higher, Kansas City 22 cents higher, and Minneapolis 17 cents higher. So we don't have quite the foundation or the acres that we were looking for and that the funds were expecting, and so that's why the violent reaction on the upside to prices. We do think that now we look at weather, and again, this morning's maps suggested after July 7th some rains for those dry areas of the Dakotas and Minnesota. We'll have to see if that's confirmed over the next 2 days, or if we go back to a dry pattern. This summer, we're expecting to see a mostly dry pattern across much of the northern plains. We'll also be watching the July 12 U.S. S&Ds to see if they raise corn and soybean demand, making the carryout tighter, and then what they do with the wheat crop, with the spring wheat crop probably lower than what the trade is trading. As always, these are my thoughts and not those of ADM Investor Services. Have a safe and profitable trading day. And remember, always treat people like you yourself would like to be treated.